So you have been doing squats from months and months and you still feel that your glutes are flat. Because here's the thing. When I started training, I thought squats were the answer. Leg press, lunges, squats and more squats. But guess what? My legs got stronger, but girl, my glutes stayed flat. Turns out, most women are training their quads and calling it a glute stay. But not anymore. Let's fix this. 5 exercises and I'm going to show you exactly how to do them, how many reps, how many sets and where you're actually supposed to feel it, because girl, if you're not feeling it in your glutes, you're not going to grow them. So let's go. So the first exercise that we're going to do for our glutes, it's like the OG of growing your glutes. It's like the cherry on the cake kind of a thing. It's like the topmost exercise. Like, मैं जितनी भी इसके बारे में बात करूँ कम है, because this is a must if you want to grow your glutes. It's hip thrust. Hip thrust आप स्मिथ मशीन पे भी कर सकते हो. मैं बारबेल के साथ करने वाली हूँ. And let's get into it. Before that, a big shout out to my new socks. It's a leg day today. So let's start with the basics. How to place your leg. Bring the barbell close to you and just put your feet down on the floor. Comfortably, wherever, right? And when you go up, it should come in a 90-degree. Your legs, your knees should be in 90-degree position. They shouldn't be here, it shouldn't be here. It should be exactly 90 degrees, number 1. Number 2, I want you to go as low as possible, but without touching the weights on the floor and then come back up again. Number 3, chin tucked in. Don't make your neck like this. Your chin should be tucked in, up, down. Now how to perform it? I want you to go up, push, stay there for a second and slowly come down. Push up, stay for a second, slowly come down as much as possible without touching the weights on the ground. Push, slowly come down. This exercise actually activates your glutes more than any other exercise. So you need to perform this right. यहाँ पे women ज़्यादातर गलती क्या करती हैं? They load the barbell too heavy too soon. Don't do that. आप पहले लाइट वेट से शुरू करो, आप अपना फॉर्म सही करो. You start feeling it exactly when you're in the top position. So here's the thing. अगर आप ज़्यादा वेट डालते हो, when you're performing a hip thrust, you'll actually end up using your lower back and your quads more than your glutes. So पहले आप फॉर्म अच्छे से करो. You let your body understand where you should feel it. You should feel like a cramp, like a feeling under your glutes when you are at the top. And when you go down, you shouldn't feel any pain, any discomfort anywhere. When you're on the top, you should feel like a cramp happening in your glutes. Remember that. And then you go down. Chin always tucked in. Come up. Take a pause 1 second. Go down. Push up. Take a pause. Go down. For this exercise, 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Now we'll move on to our second exercise. So guys, the next exercise that we're going to do is a Romanian deadlift. This changed everything for me because it loads your glutes when it's stretched. Basically, it's not a squatting movement, it's a hinge movement where, for example, you're closing a car door with your bum. So you need to push back your hips and then stand back up. And your arms should be right next to your knees and your neck should neither go up nor be tucked in. एकदम straight line में होना चाहिए आपकी back के साथ. And then you do the movement like this. So this is how it should look from the front. Your arms right next to your knees. Your barbell should rub on your legs while it's coming up and down. Under grip, yeah, over grip, it's fine. And then you up and then you slowly come down. So this is performed best if you're doing it very slow. 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps is good enough for this one. The third exercise that we're moving on to is a Bulgarian split squat. I hate this exercise and I still end up doing it at least 2 to 3 times a week, which means it actually works. So guys, you can either do it on a barbell or on a bench. But the whole point is that the height should be approximately at your knee level. Sit on it, extend your legs. Wherever your heels land on the floor, that is where your front foot should be here and your back foot should go on top of this. And then I want you to not go down straight. I want you to have slight bend in your hips and then go backward and behind. You go down and you go behind. Okay, and the other thing to keep in mind, आपकी ये जो leg है वो 90 degree होनी चाहिए. It shouldn't be crossing your toes. It should be behind your toes. That's the whole game. Once you're comfortable with your body weight, that's when you can start with dumbbells. This exercise actually humbles you, and I'm talking from experience, so do not ego lift. Start with your body weight, then go to light dumbbells, and then you can keep adding weight. Your legs will start shaking at the end of these 3 sets and 8 reps, and that's the whole point. Your legs are supposed to shake. That's where the glutes are growing. The fourth exercise that we're going to do is cable kickback. It's an isolation move. It is the one that targets your upper glutes and gives that more of a rounder shape to your glutes. In this one, I want you to slightly lean forward, hold on to something. Your toe should slightly point outward and then push back and slowly bring in. Push and slowly bring in. You'll feel the burn here. That's your upper glute. Slowly bring in. So instead of taking your leg straight back, I want your toe to be pointed outward 30 to 45 degrees, and your leg should follow the same 35 to 45 degree outward, and you'll feel the burn out here, outer upper glute. 2 things to avoid: no momentum and a full range of motion. Take a pause and come back up. The more slower you will do it, the more burn you're going to feel it. 3 reps, 12 reps. This one burns, literally burns your glutes. The last and fifth exercise आज के लिए जो है वो है sumo squat. It's basically a wider stance squat where your toes are pointing outward. You go down, take a pause, come back up slowly and squeeze. Again, go down. You'll feel it in your inner glutes and your inner thighs, which your regular squats don't. Once you're comfortable with your body weight, you can add weights. You can keep it here, right next to your chest. Go down, hold it for a second and up. Again, back, down, pause for a second and up and squeeze. Go down, pause for a second, up slowly and squeeze. Now, do these exercises actually work? Trust me, I've been doing it from a couple of weeks now, actually a couple of months, but I'm not going to show you a 6-week transformation in one video. But definitely मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊंगी. Give me some time. I'm going to show you everything. I'm documenting it, the bad days, the good days, the progress happening. Try these 5 exercises: hip thrust, RDLs, Bulgarian split squats, kickbacks and sumo squats. Train your glutes twice a week. आप ज़रूर progress देखोगे. Stop doing some random workouts. Train smarter. See you in the next one. Bye.